Picture a workspace where intelligent algorithms seamlessly knit teams together and where collaboration is turbocharged by the power of AI. Welcome to the future of work where AI is more than a tool. It revolutionizes connections, creation, and challenges. Diving into AI collaboration now can bring out the best in every team member. Hi, I'm Andra Vadova, an MIT graduate and the founder and CEO of SafeSpace, where I've created AI driven tools that enhance the emotional and entrepreneurial struggles of founders, managers, and leaders. As a startup culture expert, speaker, and educational content creator, I champion human centric design and leverage generative AI to turn businesses into forces for positive transformation. In this course, I'll explain how AI integrates within teams, the potential to enhance collaborative efforts, and the transformative power of AI in championing diversity and inclusion. Let's venture into a futuristic workplace once thought unimaginable and reshape the work landscape together. 2 months. It took 2 months for ChatGPT, the AI powered conversation tool, to reach 100 million users. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human like conversations and assist with emails, essays, and code writing. There's no question the integration of artificial intelligence into team collaboration is revolutionizing how organizations work, innovate, and communicate. So, how long will it take for your team to integrate AI in your culture? In this lesson, I want to share the applications of AI in the workplace so you'll understand the importance of AI and how to use it effectively. AI's role is multifaceted and its impact can be observed in various ways. First, AI has a pivotal role in amplifying team collaboration. By managing routine tasks, AI enables team members to concentrate their energies on collective endeavors, enhancing teamwork and mutual creativity. With the capability to assess each employee's expertise and workload, AI intelligently suggests or assigns tasks, ensuring collaboration and complementing individual strengths. The outcome is a more streamlined team dynamic. Instead of extended meetings over task delegation, teams can dive straight into brainstorming and problem solving. The second impact is data driven insights. AI analyzes vast amounts of data to generate actionable insights. Whether it's tracking team performance or predicting project bottlenecks, AI can offer strategic guidance, allowing teams to make informed decisions. For example, AI in predictive healthcare analytics is making a big impact. Hospitals use AI to shift through vast electronic health records, predicting which patients are likely to be readmitted. This analysis enables proactive post discharge care, improving patient outcomes and reducing costs. Third is personalized support. AI can tailor support to individual members based on their unique working patterns and needs. This personalized approach fosters a more engaged and productive team environment. For example, in a company where an employee named Sydney is known for their analytic skills, AI would pair them with data driven tasks, leading to faster project completion and greater team cohesion. This is achieved through AI's ability to identify and align individual strengths and preferences with corresponding tasks. Now that you recognize the role of AI in collaboration and how to use it effectively at work, I encourage you to set one goal. For example, this could be automating 30% of routine tasks. From there, choose one team, define the goal, provide them with the AI tools, and lead it as an experiment. I'm excited to see your results. AI is revolutionizing the way teams operate, but its power is most profoundly harnessed when leaders have a clear vision. Imagine ensuring every AI driven change in your organization amplifies the effectiveness of collaboration and strategy alignment. That's the power of a well-defined vision. So here are 3 steps for setting a clear vision for AI implementation and ensuring it aligns perfectly with your team's goals and your organization's overarching strategy. First, understand your organization's strategy. This is your roadmap detailing where you're headed and how you intend to get there. It involves understanding the mission, the competitive environment, and the operational plan. Before diving into AI possibilities, review your company's mission statement and strategic goals for the next year. For instance, if your organization aims to improve customer satisfaction, your AI vision could focus on enhancing customer interactions. Second, align team goals with strategy. Every team within your organization plays a role in executing the larger strategy. Their goals, when in alignment with the overall strategy, ensure harmonious progress. To carry this out, meet with team leaders and ask about their current goals. If the marketing team's goal is to understand customer behavior better, an AI vision might involve predictive analytics for customer trends. And the final step is crafting a vision for AI implementation. This vision is a clear, concise statement that showcases how AI will be utilized to achieve specific team goals while simultaneously pushing the organization towards its strategic aims. It involves a blend of aspiration and specificity. I'll invite you to draft a vision statement. For example, implement AI-driven analytics to predict emerging customer trends, empowering the marketing team to create targeted campaigns, ultimately boosting customer satisfaction in alignment with our organization's strategy. By the end of this process, your vision for AI implementation won't just be a statement on paper. It will be a guiding star, ensuring every AI-driven initiative propels your organization closer to strategic and collaborative goals. Navigating the turbulent waters of technological change can be daunting, and the secret to sailing smoothly doesn't often lie in the tools, but in the environment you foster. What if I told you that the backbone of a resilient and adaptive team is the invisible, intangible bond of psychological safety? In this lesson, I'm going to share with you the concepts of trust and psychological safety so you'll know how to foster an environment where your team feels safe, valued, and empowered during times of change. First is recognizing how to identify psychological safety. Psychological safety refers to an environment where team members feel safe to take risks, voice their opinions, and express concerns without fear of retribution or ridicule. It's the bedrock of trust, creativity, and mutual respect, all necessary for true collaboration, creative problem solving, and innovation. Consider an instance where an employee hesitates to bring up a potential flaw in a new software integration. In a psychologically safe environment, they'd feel empowered to share their observation, potentially averting a crisis. Next is the role of trust in the workplace. Trust is the belief and confidence in the integrity, reliability, and fairness of others. In the workplace, it manifests as mutual respect and open communication between team members and leadership. I invite you to reflect on a time when a colleague admitted a mistake without fear, knowing they won't be unfairly penalized, but instead would receive support to rectify the issue. This is trust in action. The final concept I'll share with you is strategies to cultivate psychological safety. Building psychological safety requires intentional actions ranging from open feedback channels to leadership showing vulnerability. It's about creating an environment where every voice matters and every team member feels seen and valued. Start by establishing regular check-ins where team members can share concerns, feedback, or even personal milestones. Encourage leadership to lead by example, admitting when they're unsure or when they've made a mistake, ensuring that learning and growing together is valued over perfection. Supplement this with AI mentorship system to promote continuous learning based on individual needs. An AI mentorship system is a platform or tool that uses artificial intelligence to provide personalized guidance, resources, and support to individuals, much like a human mentor would. Have the system monitor team communications for negative sentiments, allowing timely interventions to maintain a positive environment. For example, Mentor Loop is a platform that uses AI to provide personalized feedback and nudges to mentors and mentees throughout their relationship. The strength of a team isn't just in its technological prowess, but in the trust and safety it fosters amongst its members. So, lead by example and encourage psychological safety in the workplace. With psychological safety as your foundation, I encourage you to work with your team to confidently tackle challenges and embrace change. The future of collaboration isn't just about bringing minds together, but also integrating the power of artificial intelligence. Imagine supercharging your team's current collaborative processes with AI, paving the way for unparalleled efficiency and innovation. When you add AI to the mix, you can elevate productivity, streamline communication, and amplify your team's performance. After this lesson, you'll be able to map collaborative workflows and integrate AI tools. Before you can enhance any workflow with AI, it's vital to understand the current processes in depth. So start by mapping existing collaborative workflows. Mapping involves documenting stages, roles, and tools used in a workflow to pinpoint areas ripe for optimization. Consider a sales team that collaborates on leads. Mapping would entail detailing how a lead is acquired, tracked, discussed, and converted, noting any areas where inefficiencies or bottlenecks arise. The second step is identifying AI integration points. This means identifying repetitive tasks, data intensive processes, or communication lags that AI can address. For example, your sales team may find it time consuming to track and categorize leads. Well, an AI tool could automate lead categorization based on data like user behavior, location, and purchase history. This step will decrease the time and effort in this area for your sales team, freeing them up for more projects across teams, which leads to the final step implementing AI for collaboration enhancement. With integration points identified, it's time to employ specific AI tools tailored to the team's needs. This could range from chatbots assisting in communication to predictive analytics recommending optimal collaboration strategies. For the sales team, this could be using an AI driven CRM system to predict which leads are most likely to convert, recommend communication strategies based on lead behavior, and even schedule follow ups, ensuring the team collaborates on the most promising opportunities. When collaborative workflows harness the power of AI, teams are empowered to work smarter, not harder. By mapping, identifying, and integrating, you unlock new avenues of productivity and innovation within your organization. Navigating the waters of AI isn't just about the tech, it's also about the mindset. You've probably heard of the growth mindset, but how is it connected to AI? To embrace AI excellence, you'll need to foster an ecosystem that thrives on innovation and relentless curiosity. Within the framework of empowering AI excellence, you'll learn why a growth mindset is pivotal to AI's successful integration. And by the end of this lesson, you'll have actionable steps to nurture it in your team, paving the way for AI excellence. First, you need to understand the power of a growth mindset. This is the belief that intelligence and abilities evolve through dedication. By adopting this mindset when facing AI challenges, your team will display resilience and adaptability, turning hurdles into learning opportunities. So, by fostering a growth mindset, teams not only adapt to AI innovations, but also unlock greater potential and innovation in the process. Next, nurture a culture of continuous learning. It's highly important for continuous learning and professional development in the AI era. You want to introduce strategies for providing learning opportunities, workshops, and access to resources to encourage your team to explore AI related concepts. Also, promote open communication and idea sharing. Emphasize the role of open communication in fostering innovation and breaking down barriers to idea sharing. Then you'll want to encourage team members to freely share their thoughts, suggestions, and concerns about AI integration, creating a collaborative atmosphere. By embracing open communication, teams can harness diverse perspectives, ensuring richer ideas and proactive problem solving in the AI journey. Next is an initiative dear to my heart. As a consultant and culture expert who has a global team, I'm big on creating inclusive decision making. Decision making that incorporates diverse backgrounds and roles lead to enhanced AI integration. By actively seeking diverse perspectives, organizations can form more holistic AI strategies, ensuring the solutions resonate across the widest spectrum of people and address diverse challenges. Inclusivity in decision making not only validates the experiences and insights of every team member, but also strengthens AI solutions against unforeseen challenges by tapping into collective wisdom. Understanding and cultivating a growth mindset is paramount in the AI era. As you venture into AI, this mindset will be your team's guiding light, turning challenges into opportunities for growth and innovation. Embrace it as your compass for AI excellence. What if you could celebrate your AI triumphs while refining your team's collaborative processes? In the ever evolving landscape of AI augmented collaboration, recognizing success is as essential as spotting areas ripe for growth. In this lesson, I'm going to guide you on how to pinpoint areas of growth in your team's AI adoption and shine a light on the facets where they're excelling, ensuring a path of continuous improvement and celebration. The first area of growth is defining success metrics. Before gauging success, it's crucial to understand what it means for your team. This involves setting clear, quantifiable metrics that encapsulate efficiency, communication clarity, and the results of AI-driven collaboration. Let's consider a design team utilizing AI for asset management. Success metrics could include reduced time searching for assets, fewer collaboration bottlenecks, or increased project completion speed. All major wins for an efficient team. The second area of growth is monitoring and evaluating AI integration. Consistent observation of how AI tools are utilized and the value they bring is essential. By employing analytics and feedback mechanisms, you can see where the AI is generally making an impact and where it might be falling short. So if AI-driven asset categorization is causing confusion for the design team rather than aiding, that's an area of growth. On the flip side, if designers are completing projects 20% faster, that's a clear success. You'll need to have a baseline for reference. So, have your metrics in place before testing a new AI effort to ensure that the effects of the AI can be properly measured and assessed. The third area of growth is continuous improvement and celebration. Recognizing success doesn't mean becoming complacent. It's about celebrating achievements while maintaining an open dialogue about potential enhancements, ensuring the team and the tools grow in tandem. If the design team's AI tool excels in asset management but struggles in collaborative feedback, you might celebrate the time saved on asset searches while exploring other tools or training for feedback enhancement. By defining, monitoring, and continuously refining, you ensure your team remains at the forefront of efficient and effective AI augmented collaboration. The next time you're asked to identify what success looks like in collaboration, you'll know how to identify the areas of improvement and success. The integration of AI into collaborative culture holds vast promise, but with it comes the imperative to act ethically and responsibly. You can be led by trust and ethics when weaving AI into your team dynamics. After this lesson, you'll feel empowered to navigate potential pitfalls and uphold the trust with your team and stakeholders. Start by exploring the ethical landscape of AI. Ethical AI extends beyond code and algorithms. It delves into the realm of moral principles, ensuring the technology aligns with the values of fairness, accountability, and transparency. Picture an AI tool employed to aid in team evaluations. Ethically, this tool must be unbiased, transparent about its assessment criteria, and open to scrutiny to ensure fair evaluations. Second, you need to evaluate the potential risks and challenges. As AI changes collaboration, risks can emerge, ranging from biased algorithms to data privacy breaches. Being aware of these challenges ensures proactive mitigation. For instance, an AI-driven team collaboration tool might inadvertently prioritize voices from certain team members based on flawed data sets, sidelining with other valid perspectives. Awareness of such biases can guide corrective actions. And in these instances, you can step in and encourage team members to speak up and ensure their thoughts are heard and included before moving forward. Third, you need to focus on strategies for ethical AI adoption. This involves regular training, open dialogue, and constant evaluation of AI tools in practice. Before fully integrating an AI tool into team collaborations, you could pilot it with a smaller group, gather feedback, ensure it adheres to ethical principles, and adjust accordingly before broader adoption. For instance, trial an AI communication tool with the marketing team, refine based on their feedback about effectiveness and ethics, then deploy it more broadly. The journey to AI augmented collaboration isn't merely a technological leap, but an ethical commitment. Now you can have the best of both worlds, upholding the invaluable pillars of trust and ethics and enhanced collaboration with artificial intelligence. In today's fast-paced business environment, leveraging artificial intelligence is crucial in creating a collaborative culture and making sure resources are used in an optimal way. In my experience, infusing AI into my organization has led to increased team efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. In this lesson, I will empower you with the knowledge and the tools you need to effectively use AI for project management, task allocation, and resource optimization. There are 5 key opportunities to use AI to boost productivity and reach your company's goals. One way to use it is for data collection and analysis. AI algorithms require vast amounts of data to make accurate predictions and recommendations. Use AI to gather relevant data on project requirements, team member skills, historical project performance, and resource availability. By integrating various data sources and using machine learning techniques, AI can analyze patterns and trends to provide valuable insights for decision making. You can also apply AI to project management. AI-driven project management tools allow you to streamline workflows and automate repetitive tasks. These tools can track project progress, identify potential roadblocks, and forecast completion timelines. AI can analyze historical data and project performance to estimate future milestones, ensuring more accurate planning and resource allocation. Check out the resource file to find my suggestions for AI-powered project management tools. Next, use AI for task allocation and skill matching. By analyzing individual performance data, AI algorithms can match the right talent to the appropriate tasks, maximizing productivity and job satisfaction. This means AI can help you distribute tasks evenly to avoid overwhelming your team. Additionally, use it for real-time resource optimization. AI can dynamically allocate resources based on real-time project needs. It considers various factors like task priorities, deadlines, and resource availability to optimize the distribution of workforce and equipment. This ensures that projects progress smoothly, avoiding bottlenecks and unnecessary delays. Finally, and I really want to emphasize this point, human AI collaboration is imperative. While AI can provide valuable recommendations and insights, it's essential to combine human expertise with AI-driven decision. Assign someone to oversee how AI aligns with your organization's goals and values. This oversight will ensure an effective decision-making progress. I'm so excited about AI when it comes to productivity and efficiency. Embracing AI as a strategic partner empowers teams to adapt to evolving challenges, drive productivity, and achieve success in today's dynamic business landscape. Imagine a workplace where marketing seamlessly syncs with sales, where engineering dances in harmony with design, and where data driven insights effortlessly flow between departments, creating an orchestra of collaboration. This isn't just an ideal. With AI, it's the new reality. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only understand the capabilities of AI to unite cross functional teams, but also possess actionable strategies to implement these tools and foster a culture of holistic collaboration. First strategy, breaking down silos with AI. Silos in organizations can limit information flow and stifle innovation. AI offers tools that automatically share relevant insights and streamline processes across teams. Consider an AI system that instantly notifies the marketing team of any product tweaks made by the engineering team, ensuring that the marketing campaigns are always aligned with product realities. Second, you'll need to be able to unify these insights for all. AI can centralize and analyze data from multiple departments, ensuring every team has access to the complete picture. Take a moment to visualize a dashboard powered by AI that curates and presents data from sales, marketing, and R&D, allowing for a holistic decision-making process. This is a possibility with the Code Interpreter plugin from ChatGPT. Third, take charge of fostering interdisciplinary collaboration. AI can suggest potential collaborations based on shared goals or overlapping projects, bringing together teams that might not have collaborated otherwise. Imagine an AI tool that identifies shared objectives between the design and finance teams, leading to a joint project that optimizes product pricing while maintaining design quality. Remember, AI isn't just about algorithms and data, it's about connections. With these strategies, you have the blueprint to foster an environment where collaborations become efficient at bridging gaps and bringing everyone in your organization together as one big team. The potential is immense, and with AI as your ally, you're poised to transform your workplace into a hub of cross-functional brilliance. In the age of data-driven decision-making, the ability to analyze and convey data insights can make or break an organization's success. After this lesson, you'll be able to harness the combined power of AI and collaboration to distill complex data into compelling narratives for any audience. First, you need to understand the power of collaborative data analysis. Collaborative data analysis involves pulling diverse skill sets and expertise to dissect and interpret data. With AI, this process becomes supercharged, automating tasks, revealing hidden patterns, and streamlining communication. For example, envision a marketing team diving into customer behavior data. While one member brings domain knowledge, another offers statistical prowess. With an AI tool, they can rapidly segment data, test hypotheses, and extract actionable insights, all while working in tandem. Next, you need to learn how to visualize data insights. Once data is analyzed, it's imperative to convey those insights in an accessible manner. Data visualization tools, especially those bolstered by AI, can transform intricate data sets into clear, engaging, and informative visual narratives. From the earlier analysis, the marketing team discovers patterns and purchasing behavior. Using AI driven tools, they generate dynamic charts and heat maps that illustrate peak purchasing times, favorite product categories, or regional preferences. Insights that can be easily shared and understood. Then, and probably the most important, is how to effectively communicate with diverse stakeholders. Now, all stakeholders speak data. Tailoring data driven narratives to different audiences, from technical teams to executives or external partners, ensures clarity, engagement, and actionable outcomes. With the sales team, the emphasis will fall on product preferences, while the packaging and shipping team will want to hear about their regional preferences and how it impacts their delivery routes and schedules. And if the marketing team is doing an executive briefing, they could focus on revenue implications and strategic adjustments. It's the same data, but tailored effectively for each audience. Diving deep into data collaboratively, augmented by AI, is like unlocking a treasure trove of insights. By analyzing, visualizing, and communicating effectively, you ensure these invaluable insights illuminate pathways to growth and innovation for your organization. When Unilever, the multinational consumer goods company, decided to tackle recruitment diversity by leveraging AI in their hiring practices, they experienced a significant increase in diversity. The transparency and gamification of the process garnered positive feedback from candidates, a rare accomplishment, especially for inherently traditional organizations. That was a significant win for Unilever. In this lesson, I'm going to unravel the ways AI can be harnessed to bolster diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI, within your organization. You'll also gain an understanding of an overarching potential and challenges of AI in this realm. First, acknowledge the role of AI in promoting diversity and inclusion. AI, when designed appropriately, can eliminate unconscious biases from recruitment, evaluations, and other processes. It can highlight gaps in representation and suggest interventions, ensuring a diverse and inclusive work environment. Beyond Unilever, companies are utilizing AI driven tools to scan job descriptions for biased language, ensuring postings are appealing to a broad spectrum of potential candidates. Second, recognize the benefits and challenges. While AI offers unparalleled advantages in scaling diversity efforts, it's not without challenges. If not correctly designed or trained, AI can perpetuate or even amplify biases. An AI recruitment tool that's trained on past hiring data might inadvertently favor certain demographics if the historical data is skewed. Hence, continuous monitoring and refinement are crucial. which is the last piece of the puzzle when it comes to using AI to improve TI hiring practices and workplaces. You'll need to consider the strategies for ethical and effective implementation. Leveraging AI for diversity and inclusion requires a combination of the right data, continuous feedback, and a commitment to ethical AI practices. This ensures that technology supports rather than hinders diversity efforts. To counteract potential biases in AI recruitment tools, companies might use diverse training data sets, regularly update algorithms based on diverse feedback, and maintain transparency about how these tools make decisions. Now it's your turn. Like Unilever, start with the inflow of employees and tackle recruitment and diversity by leveraging AI in your hiring practices. Unilever's success story is just the tip of the iceberg. Diving deeper into how to foster diversity, equity, and inclusion with AI, you'll discover the myriad ways technology can be a force multiplier in building workplaces where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. IBM recently unveiled the AI Fairness 360 Toolkit, a groundbreaking initiative to assist developers in identifying and rectifying bias in machine learning models. By offering an open source collection of metrics, algorithms, and instructive content, IBM paved the way for organizations to grasp and tackle potential biases, pushing towards a future of transparent and equitable AI systems. With AI tech growing quickly, you can carry this ethical torch as well. In this lesson, you'll gain deep insights into the intricate challenges of biases within AI systems. By the end, you'll possess the knowledge to discern and counteract AI biases, ensuring your organization's AI tools align with principles of fairness, inclusivity, and ethical integrity. First, you'll need to understand the intricacies of AI bias. AI systems, particularly machine learning models, are only as unbiased as the data they're trained on. So if your starting data is imbalanced, then your AI tool can inadvertently adopt and magnify these biases, leading to an unfair and unrepresentative outcome. For instance, a facial recognition system trained primarily on one demographic might struggle to accurately recognize individuals from diverse backgrounds, leading to exclusions or misidentifications. Second, you'll need to identify and address AI challenges. Recognizing biases in AI systems requires a multifaceted approach encompassing diverse training datasets, iterative feedback loops, and rigorous fairness evaluations. In the context of a recruitment AI system, the algorithm should be trained on a diverse set of resumes and profiles. This doesn't just mean having a mix of genders, ethnicities, etc., but also considering other factors like diverse educational backgrounds, different universities, varying years of experience, etc. For instance, instead of training an AI only on resumes from Ivy League schools, it would be trained on resumes from community colleges, trade schools, and online courses. Utilizing tools like IBM's AI Fairness 360, organizations can systematically evaluate their AI models, detecting potential biases, and refining their systems for greater equity. Third, you will need to craft strategies for ethical AI adoption. Beyond mere detection, proactively combating AI bias involves regular training, transparency in AI decision making, and collaboration with diverse stakeholders for feedback and validation. An organization might employ diverse focus groups to evaluate an AI tool's recommendations, ensuring that decisions made by the system are fair and representative across the board. Now you can audit your current AI tools for potential biases. But don't stop there. Use some of these methods to counteract them and create equal opportunities for everyone your organization interacts with. With informed action, you can forge a future where AI truly uplifts every individual in a diverse society. You did it! You've journeyed through this course and now have a solid grasp on how AI is shaping the future of work, driving team integration, ramping up collaboration, boosting productivity, and championing diversity and inclusion. But you're just getting warmed up. Imagine a workspace where the usual tedious tasks are a thing of the past and fresh ideas steal the show. With these insights in your back pocket, you're ready to tackle any teamwork snags head on. Start with a goal that fits your crew's vibe and vision. Remember, the world of AI tools is effervescent. It's constantly evolving. Dive deep, find these tools that drive your team's energy. As you continue your AI journey, here are a few handpicked resources I believe will steer you right. First, explore Artificial Intelligence for Everyone by Andrew Ng. This comprehensive course is designed to offer both high level conceptual understanding and practical implications of AI in various industries. Also, grab a copy of Human Plus Machine Reimagining Work in the Age of AI. This book provides fantastic insights into the ways businesses can harness the power of AI while focusing on human centered values. And if you want to connect, dive into my website at savespace.tool/early access to stay in the know about AI tools, because I'm your Gen AI in a bottle. It's not just any tool, it's your AI powered ally in navigating your entrepreneurial journey. For tailored insights, schedule an expert one on one video consultation with me directly. Consider me your partner throughout your AI transformation. Big thanks for hopping on this journey with me. And remember, you're not just a learner, you're now an AI and collaboration master. I'm excited for the game changing moments ahead for you. Stay ahead of your game.